What is up everyone? Good morning. I'm about to head out for a little jog and thought I'd bring you along as I get ready. So let's go! First things first, gotta get comfy. These mesh shorts and dry fit shirt are my go-tos. Alright, shoe time. Today we got the New Balance 990 Sea Salt, also known as Teddy Santis. Hindi ito yung best na running shoes pero ito lang yung meron ako eh. So, ito lang yung susuotin ko. Kahit pang forma ko talaga to. Now, for a little bit of tracking, gotta keep an eye those steps and heart rate. You know, it's nice to have a little goal in mind. Of course, can't forget the tubig because we need to be hydrated palagi. Yan, nalaglag. No. Why? Anong ginagawa mo? Tolonggis ka talaga. Yung baliktad pala. Tolonggis ka talaga. Magdota ka na lang kasi. Huwag ka na mag-jogging. Syempre, kailangan natin ng mesh cap. Keeps the sweat and hair out of my face. Essential yan, tol. Mukhang tolonggis talaga. Pumapalaka ka pa dyan. Tara na nga. Okay, all set. Sobrang swerte ko talaga na taga Marikina ako kasi we've got this awesome sport complex known as Sports Center that just a short walk from my place lang. Alright, before we get going, gotta do some stretching and warm up muna kasi don't want to have any injuries or 'di ba para maging malupit yung performance natin mamaya. Kala mo talaga professional eh, tolonggis ka talaga eh. Well, actually, I decided to start making a jogging regular thing because I was in and out of the hospital like last year. It's kinda gave me a wake-up call to really take better care of my body and prioritize my health. Yun, and na-realize ko na I need to move not just to feel physically better but also mentally. Plus, di ba, nakakaporma ka pa. So yeah, that's my little motivation. Let's try to get a little more active each day. Thanks for watching. Bye!